Which of your product images will give you the best CTR? We all ask ourselves these questions because after spending hundreds of dollars on professional photography or 3D rendering for your Amazon product, you always end up with 3 or 4 different main images to choose from. And they all look great in your Dropbox folder. But which one will actually get the click when it will be surrounded by all your competitors in the Amazon search results? Most sellers, they guess and they pick one they like the best, they launch it, and then they wonder why their CTR is so low. Or they waste their time in Photoshop or Canva putting their product image into a screenshot of an Amazon page just to get a feel for it. But it's slow, it's annoying, and frankly, it's just a waste of your operational time. So today, I'm gonna show you how to instantly swap your product image on a live Amazon page or search result directly in your browser using another feature of the free Endgame XP Chrome extension. If you're new here, I'm Hadrian. I've been a 7-figure Amazon seller since 2021, and I help entrepreneurs build and scale their private label businesses with Amazon FBA. I built this Chrome extension because if there's one thing that I hate in my business, it's gambling. And I know you don't want to hope that your product image will stand out and that you want to see it destroy the competition before even spending a dime on PPC. And so let's see how you can do just that. So first, let's start by installing the Endgame XP Chrome extension. So I will put the link in the description of this video. Once you have entered your email, click on install and the extension is going to appear in the top right corner of your browser. Now, you will focus today on the 4th feature of the extension called Swap Product Image. So let's go ahead and enter the USA marketplace. So I opened in a new tab, amazon.com. Right here, you will look for a product, specific product, for example, this one right there. And once you have the search result displayed, now you can see that some arrows are appearing next to each main product image from competitors. And that is because the Endgame XP extension has this feature enabled. So if I toggle it off, the arrows are disappearing. Now, what you can do here is upload 1 or 2 images of another product that you would like to A/B test directly in the browser. So let's go ahead and take one image, for example, this one right there. And I will also select the second one right here that I prepared. Now I have these 2 images prepared, and let's say I want to display them instead of this one right there. Just click on the arrow and boom, as you can see, this is the first right here that is appearing there. Then if I swap again, this is the red model again that I prepared here. So you can do that with your own product, and you can also do it directly in the listing page. So let's open a random one. Let's say we'll open another one like this one. And now, as you can see in the listing page, the arrows are still there as well. And if you click on them, it will display your product images that you prepared in the extension. Your main image is the single most important factor for your click-through rate performance. So by visualizing in its context, you stop guessing and you start operating like a real 7-figure brand. You are forecasting your success rather than just hoping for it. One last thing, if you want to go deeper and learn the exact strategy I use to launch my product once the image is selected, check out my 1-hour free masterclass available on the link below. It covers my full launch strategy to get your product to page 1 of Amazon search results in less than 2 weeks. Now, you've picked the perfect image and your product is launched and successfully selling. So you need to make sure to reorder your next product batch on time. And that's why in the next video, we'll cover how to find out in 1 click when to reorder your next batch order, still using the Endgame XP Chrome extension.